4 feet tangle-free charging cable. Extended strain relief. Charge and sync devices. Ultra-durable braided nylon cable. USB-A to USB-C. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful. The charging cable from Skullcandy is great. Not only that it looks good, but it also delivers great and quick charge. I use it in the car and it works wonderful. Instant connection with iPhone. Defiantly recommend this products. Fast shipping. Best phone charger on the market, highly recommend. Decent product, looks good. Perfect. Perfect charger for my wireless earphones. Nice and sturdy. I use this product to charge my phone, and it works wonderfully.